Using the small tiles, I'm going to introduce the idea of counting objects. Can you show me 4? Can you show me 5? 6, 7. Simply using them as objects, giving them no dimensions to begin with. I'd then like to introduce the equals sign. 3 equals 3. Can you put in some more tiles to make this still true? So if I put in one here, I also have to put in one here. If I take away one from here, I would have to take away one from here. And establishing that equals sign. The most important idea to introduce when using algebra tiles is the idea of 0 pairs. Show me the number 4. Here we have 4. And then we can ask the children to show us the number 4 in a different way. They'll try lots of different ways of doing this. I'm going to introduce this tile. On the reverse of algebra tiles, the face is red. We tell the children that a reverse and a yellow side create a 0 pair, that this colour and this colour cancel each other out, that this red is the reverse of this, that this red is the negative of this, that this red removes the value of this. So this becomes a 0 pair. We can ask the children to show us the number 4 in another way and can quite quickly convince them that this is still the number 4. We have 4 and 0. It's often helpful to show these eliminating each other. Let's have a look at some calculations. 4 plus 2. 4 objects plus another 2 objects. Give me 6 objects. What if we were doing 6 minus 3? I have 6. I want to subtract 3 out of the system, which leaves me with 3. 5 plus minus 2. So I have 5, and I add minus 2 to the system. These create 0 pairs, which can eliminate each other, leaving me with 3. 4 minus minus 3. So I have 4. I want to subtract minus 3 from here, but there isn't minus 3 in the image, and I need to introduce minus 3 to the system. But this would create a different system unless I introduce the 0 pairs. This is still the number 4. I have 4 and 0. I want to subtract minus 3. I want to take away minus 3. Take away these 3 negatives, which leaves me with 7. Minus 6 plus 2. I have minus 6. I add in 2 to the system, creating 2 0 pairs, which eliminate, leaving me with minus 4. And finally, minus 4 minus minus 5. So I have minus 4 here, and I wish to subtract minus 5. But there aren't 5 reds in here, so I need to introduce another red with its 0 pair. And now this is still the number minus 4, and I want to take away 5 of the negative tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my answer is 1.